Are you done? Oh, you want Dasher's food? I should let you in there so you can eat Dashies? Huh? Dasher, you better eat her. She wants to eat yours. Isabel, are you done? Okay, just wait. Oh, Brisa will eat it. Brisa likes her raw, huh? Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Can you figure out how to open one of those doors? Yeah, sure, she'll get yours. Baby. Yeah. Oh. Brisa. Dasher, you gotta eat before I can let you out. What the? Alright, you don't want to eat the ground.